Hi, my name is Spencer Burns. I'm the owner of Whitman Burns HVAC. I started my business just a couple of years ago. I've been in the industry about 6 years. I love working with people. It is so fun to get to know all these different people all around Utah County and work with them and help them out and figure out the problems with their equipment. I actually started the company with the purpose to kind of compete with the bigger companies. I'm really frustrated by some of the way that they run their businesses. A lot of times they'll send a salesman out to your house and try to get you to buy new equipment. I'm here to educate you, to help you make the best decision for you and your circumstances, and I do my best to communicate everything. So you'll always be working with me. Whenever you call, I'm the one who will pick up the phone. Whenever you need someone to come to your house, I'm the one who comes. I'm the service tech and the installer. The biggest thing that kind of tightens my jaw, you call a big company, some lady answers the phone and they dispatch a guy to your house and he'll come in and he'll tell you, oh, this is wrong, you gotta get this done, you gotta replace this. I mean, it happens on a regular basis where I'm called to give a second opinion because someone told them that they needed to replace their system. It would be way too expensive to repair it. And I've been able to come in there, diagnose the problem and fix it for, under 300 bucks. Generally, when you call me, you're my first priority. We're gonna get you taken care of as fast as we can. Oftentimes it's within 24 hours, but especially during the middle of the summer or the middle of the winter time, I'm out there and I'm working as hard as I can. I make myself available all day. I'm here for you and I will get you taken care of.